Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to understand the do-while loop in C in a very simple and detailed way. First, what is a do-while loop? A do-while loop is used to repeat a block of code multiple times. But the special thing about this loop is it will execute at least once, even if the condition is false. Now let's look at the syntax. Do, code, while. Let's break this into parts. First is the body of the loop. This is the code written inside the curly braces. For example, printf. This part will always run first. Next is the condition. For example, I equals 5. This condition is checked after executing the code. If it is true, the loop continues. If it is false, the loop stops. Next is increment or decrement. For example, I++. This updates the value and helps the loop move forward step by step. Now let's understand the execution clearly. Suppose I equals 1. Step 1, code runs first prints 1. Step 2, increment I becomes 2. Step 3, condition check 2 less than or equal to 5 true. Then again, print 2i becomes 3 condition true. This continues 3 for 5. Finally, I becomes 6 condition fails loop stops. So the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here comes the most important concept. Even if the condition is false at the beginning, the loop still runs once. Let's see an example. I equals 10. Do, printf, while. Here, condition is false, but still output will be 10. Why? Because do while checks condition after executing the code. Now let's understand with a real-life example. Imagine you are using an ATM machine. The system shows you options like 1. Check balance, 2. Withdraw money, 3. Exit. At least once, the menu must be shown to the user. That is exactly where do-while loop is useful. Now let's compare with other loops. For loop starts with initialization, while loop checks condition first. But do-while loop runs code first. So remember this flow clearly. Code increment condition repeat. Now let's see one more example. In I equals 1, do, printf, I++, while. Output will be hello, hello, hello. This shows how the loop repeats multiple times. Now let's see common mistakes. Forgetting the semicolon after while condition. While. This semicolon is very important. Another mistake is forgetting to update the variable. If you don't use I++, it may cause an infinite loop. Finally, remember this key point. Do-while loop always executes at least once. That's why it is very useful in programs where at least one execution is required. That's it. Now you clearly understand do-while loop in